What you a sign and wonders this? I just a tell you say every day I saw sleep and like gone in the place so hot. Nothing there so of this a book here fan I come. I not even want my baby sweating now. And I say as me turn on the camera, like come back, praise to God. But me tell you say me I go on the road today, like how I drop asleep and thank God like come back. Me I go be there now. But before I go any further, Corisha, you should have boxed me in my face. I post the video yesterday, Sunday. Yesterday? Mm-hmm. I never remember say your birthday. I say me I show all my own and forgetful. You know, so before me record the video, I say a Corisha birthday. I need to tell Corisha happy birthday. And I just did a chat till my chat shit. And I remember to tell you happy birthday. Happy belated birthday, Corisha, my Aries twin. I hope you had a wonderful day, darling. Yeah, man. But today I go come with me for my day. You understand me? So, as soon as Ari come off of my titty, when I can see I brush it up and down. Yeah. I don't know when Ari will give me titty to my break. And show me sorry for her, she ball. Ari I come draw down my shirt. Ari I go in at my clothes. I don't know how I did win for no baby. If you do it, if you've been through it, tell me. Give me tips. Me work with anything at this point except the single Bible. Somebody tell me for rub single Bible on my breast. Oh God, me can't do my baby that. Can't do that one day. But if you don't have any tips, drop them below. Anytime I really go for my titty, we can pick up from there. A few stolen moments is all that we share. You've got your family and they need you now. Though I try to resist being last on your list. No, that's enough. Listen to me now. Don't worry about why I'm gonna brush my teeth from morning. Nobody worry about that. You understand me? But I finally get my Colgate total. So my teeth stop hurting. So I brush my teeth. I tell me say I left. Irish, I take a little nap. I'm gonna show you this. I did buy one, one time off Sheen or Temu, I don't remember. But I never like that one day. But anyways, I don't know. So my sister sent two in the bar. If you don't know what this is a tongue scraper. And if you don't own one, you need to own one. Very, very important. You understand me? So I'm gonna get some water to brush my teeth. Oh no, ear me a drought by the way. Oh no. Send me go bathe in the rain one day, yeah. Oh no. And hear me nose the ear. Can't even breathe through my nasal passage. Thanks to you for that, yeah man. Love it. AJ, can some water come for me? Alright, I'm gonna say something kind of controversial. I'm gonna say most of you, if not all of you, are gonna disagree with me. But what if I told you that after you brush your teeth, you're not supposed to rinse out your mouth? Hold on. I know how that sounds to you, But listen, just listen to what I say because I never really know something about PhD. AJ, pass my glasses. Hold on. The new one. Hold on. So come. See me now? Listen to me now. When I talk to April, when I talk to Dr. Henry. You understand me? Okay. After you brush your teeth, you're not supposed to rinse out your mouth, okay? Listen to me, students, okay? How it works is that the fluoride in the toothpaste is what fights cavities. Oh, Jesus, me stand up in the ants nest. All the while I do me them something. Hold on, man. Yes, like I was saying, the fluoride in the toothpaste is what helps to fight the cavities and to keep your mouth clean. Now, if after you finish brushing your teeth, you rinse out the fluoride, you don't give it any time to do what it needs to do. So the idea is that you're supposed to leave it for like half an hour, and then after that you can go ahead and rinse out your mouth. So if you know one that I don't rinse out my mouth, I don't do that. When I brush my teeth, I don't rinse my mouth, okay? But I'm gonna use my tongue scraper. I really want to show you, back to April. I really want to show you how to use the tongue scraper, but it look kind of disgusting, you know. I'm gonna long out my tongue, so, and then when you scrape off all of the gunk, it look kind of disgusting, so I'm not gonna show you. But I need a tongue scraper. Yeah, man, the one AJ just stand up yourself. I never tell him to stand up and supervise me, you know. I watch me, I use the tongue scraper. I come tell me, say, my sick in tummy. So I say, no, my sick in tummy. But I now look upon him. But let me tell you something. It's when you use your tongue scraper, you feel the difference. Anyways, get into my short locks. Get into it. I want to say, oh, it come down. Naya Bingi. Haile Selassie. Mama Africa. My nan, dilly dally would do no me go beard. I don't love too much foolishness. It's a beautiful day in the Amazon jungle. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. The wind is blowing. This one is going to bathe. I'm telling you, I'm not really can't come bathe with me because I know how YouTube stays. So if you see this chop up, I don't know why. But I just want to say, my sister carry good body wash. Come give me, you know, but she never carry. She says it's not a barrel for me, you know. And you know, I have to scrub off the crusty heel back. I don't know if you can see me, you know. I have to scrub off the crusty heel back. I'm going to shave out my arm today. Bad to bad, it not have to stay, so. Bad to bad. And you know, I brought the little nair. And I can't come out of my business. If I want, take off the ear up of my arms and legs. Want 'em. Come out of my business, man. Yes, so as myself, when you see me chop up this, you don't know where it go. Let's not catch up this side of the palm. Look how I'm not showing none of this because look how I literally barely under my neck I show. And if me post it, like if me not cut out or whatever, YouTube I go say me expose my body, so I'm not even I go risk it. Ole, 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 ole. Oh, but at this, I did want to show you say the hose, through the rainfall, the hose there. So, I know how the mind stay, you know. But I already telling you, so when time the hose the up, I just suck it like so. Hey, you know me I cut it because I don't like how to carry on sometime, you know. But I just suck it like so. And voila! Let there be water. I'm not telling a lie, the body wash you feel nice on my body. I feel luxurious. I'll walk one about them, I can't bother to shave out my arm, you know. If I didn't have sense, I did use some of the near and then before I wet up myself. I don't know, I don't have no shaving cream. I don't know new over here. And a condition I'm supposed to use, but I left it. One arm down, one to go. Yeah, man, that's a that. Right now, I'm going to scrub off the foot them. For them crusty bad, trust me. Yeah, man, I mean that. So I come dry off and go in. Go start out my body. Alright, I'm reaching. So, honestly, I'm not using nothing special for my face. See it, yeah? I don't know. Yes, AJ? No. I'm going to something them, my cocoa butter I use for my face before I rub on like a sunscreen because the sun hot in the Gideon. You know, some I have no idea what about my face for day. See it now. I just look at sunscreen this. But me I tell myself I don't know why I'm put my face. I'm just feel like I can't need to pull out the area and wash my ear. I feel like I bump up my face. I don't like the sunscreen, you know, because I don't know about going still. But it always left a little white looking cast on my face. One time I don't know what to see. Wanna see it look? Yeah, look. Some probably have to go rub sitting. I don't know. I'm gonna come warm my Vaseline something over it. I like how it look. But I still have to wear it. Come for that sun. Y'all know I'm gonna moisturize with my little Aveeno. See the big 8 up on the back for April. If you live with brother, you know why I'm after my things. Okay. Left that right, that's all. Oh my god, it's the same thing when I tell about my brother. Then I have my Vaseline, my big something of Vaseline right. I say, no, wait there. Wait there. God. No, I have to go use one of them. Yeah. I have 3 different Vaseline. I use this one for my lips. I use this one on my face. And the next big one, I use it for my body. So I tell me, just like I tell me, so after I done moisturize my body, I have to go in with the Vaseline for my foot them. Bless you, Larry. I have to go in with the Vaseline because you see my foot them is a special degree of dry. And I only use the lotion down there. 2 tools in the sun of me that with white heel back. Like me I carry my all. AJ carry the Vaseline come for me. See it here? So this my normal rub on my foot, but I already use the one for my lips. I want to say about the Naya Binky. Because I'm not going to show them me already, but it doesn't take too long between me and lotion and all these things. But Mr. Irie in the sand ball, every time I go is a problem for Irie. But I'm going to tell her bye. I don't leave without telling her goodbye because I don't want her to vex with me. But I'm going to make mommy show the fit real quick and then I got to go, boo. Alright, me ask AJ if he video me. So I not even know if he might do it properly. But don't remember them shoes, yeah? Yeah, show the shoes. Remember them shoes there where Irie Godfather did carry for me. Talk to me now. Talk to me now how it go. The Rasta angle or what? Yeah, man, and my cousin did give me that shirt here for my birthday. Thank God, because I don't have no top. I want to order some from Shein. I'm supposed to soon can go pick it up. I'm just having the jeans pants here. I'm tired to see it. And my fandangles, I remember them from Shein. I just put them on the beady because I feel like a real Rasta. And them 2 little mid-ring with the teeth from my niece. Okay, earring from Shein. And you know, the Rasta. Do my head now. The Rasta from Africa, alright? So I'm gonna tell my baby bye. I'm gonna left out so we can hurry up and come back. Peace. Oh no, maybe I really have to go lock my ear because you see since I cut off the locks, make it short and I don't look at edges. No man, I feel like a nice little Rasta girl.
You look like it.
Maybe I really oh no, yeah, AJ, tell me if I don't want to hear it. But maybe I really have to go lock my ear. But I left now. Yeah, man, I'm gonna tell Irie bye, I gotta go. Alright, me have to ask mommy if I push Irie down the road because Irie cry. Me have to hide mommy because she don't want to be seen again. She's in that phase again. And see AJ there with her brother like he thinking my tourist. But me have to ask mommy if I push Irie down the road because she's crying and y'all know I don't like it when my baby cries. Somebody decide for just make sure come down the road. Buy her a little something she like. Me don't know why yet. For bribe her with and tell her a quick goodbye because if she distracted with something she like, she won't mind say me I left. I'm not stay long, but I just not like when my baby cry, man. So oh, after I can't splash me up. Crazy, you have to take time. Mommy I tell me for walk past because I'm big sitting in dirty water there. So but anybody I drive to them must know so they have to take time to talk it truth. Yeah man, but me I go cut now. Me I go cut. So the next time I see me, I don't know where me I go. There become I know if me I carry on which spot me I go. Alright, me in a Brownstone. This is not my final stop, just one stop on my way. You know, so what I see somebody comment and say them see me at Brownstone and me and them in the same taxi. And you mean for tell me say you don't call to me and you have the art for go type that's in the comments. You have to go down. But if you know Brownstown, I go in a Ben's supermarket because I go buy one eco gel because my one finish. I want a little edge brush. I need a new one, some super. Okay, may I try one new wax? And I think I see Andrea use this. I'm not sure for this the other day, so I'm gonna try it and see if it hold my edges. Let me tell you now how bad it is right now. You know, so I come from over one China over there, so. And like, I don't know, everybody who working at the store, I don't know if they gone for lunch. So them here, they're behind the man, the Chinese man are cash, you know. So I say, pass one of this for me, please. The man say, no, pass it, you know. So I say, me for them, I say, everybody gone for lunch, and you there right this, and you can't pass it. Give me so bad, so. The Chinese them run Jamaica. Anyways, me just come in one different store because I'm not going to wait for nobody, and you working at the place, at your place, and show nobody not in there. You can't just take up a seat and give me. No, man, I'm just coming to one different place. I don't forget my money. So I'm just going to try this. I don't know if I go hold my edges. I'm going to buy it and try. Alrighty, I'm almost at my destination. I've taken a second taxi and I am walking up the road to people's yard. Listen to me now. I just hope some free food up at this, you know. I don't know, my belly come down already. Oh, but guess what? I didn't tell you about the wax I buy, you know. I'm telling you, say I see Andrea with it, but I end up buy that one because it's a extra hole. And look for my edges since I do them. Then can't tame. You understand me? I'm gonna buy one new edge brush too because the old one they want that way. But me telling you, say I see Andrea use it. It's not this I see Andrea use. It's a next. I think I the same brand, but I think it's the gel and not the wax. I know I have regrets, but I'm gonna try that one. If you hold my edges, I can't continue buy it. So far, the only thing I ever really buy when I see hold my edges, I've got to be glued gel, but it a tear out my edges. So it's like 6 and 1/2 dozen of the other. One my edges, sorry. Yeah, man. But as me tell you, no, me walk up the road. Me run out of breath. Me not fit enough. So when I reach up, I sit down. I catch my breath. I come back to one. Well, I use the Errands. I'm reach, I'm find fried chicken. Yeah, man, I know as long as food involved, me will involve. I don't want to know, I want like say, I don't want to worry about what me there, you know. But I will eat, you know. Why am I love my belly so? Hey. I never know, sir. I never know, they make bubblegum syrup in it. But anyway, I connect the TV to Wi-Fi so I can log in on my Netflix. I said the chicken tastes good with the ranch. I just watch little Looney Tunes, I don't know, say me a cartoon head. I'm just gonna watch little Looney Tunes. So I'm gonna set up she and come back. Somebody else with my plate of food it at. I have like a rice and like a fried chicken and like a plantain and like a cup of syrup. I'm gonna watch my little Looney Tunes, you know. But me say, I want to tell you something. You remember when time I do my story time and I make sure, was my Q&A. And I say, I make sure I tell them my name because I don't want to see me on the road and come back call me now Bruk. Eh? What kind of style that? And I say, after I go on the road, what do you hear? Here comes a girl. I say, I should have asked you what your name is. I put you up on blast in about. I don't brought baby mother this. I say, I tell you, say, for stop simple. No, stop. Because nobody never do it. I tell you, say, don't see me on the road and call me Bruk, you know. But it's okay. It's okay. All in humor. It's okay. But I don't know, I'm hungry-ish. So I want to eat my little food and everything, and I'll come back. Oh no, I got beat me. Guess which part me I go? Right down a juicy beef. But hold on, as you don't know, music I play. As you don't know, my issue was with the juicy beef in St. Anne's Bay. So I don't know if it make a difference that this is the juicy beef or Brownstone. Look here now, I never want to go because even though a different location at the same brand, so I never will want to go. But my thing is, I don't go up to KFC because I have to carry back something for mommy eat. I don't go up to KFC, but I can't manage the line there. Because right now we're late at 2:05, I want to go over. Because by 6 o'clock when I'm ready to get something to eat, that's it, she start name up herself. So I'm going to hurry up and go over. So I'm just going to buy 2 patties for mommy and AJ. I'm going to see a piece of melon and I say it looks sweet. I'm going to buy a piece for Irie. Stop at one fruit man and buy them something here. Banana and pine and melon so I buy for Irie. I pay $1,000 for the whole of them. And the whole time I swear things say, me a record. I'm not record nothing. After I'm there showing the juicy beef sign, I tell them it's a juicy beef, I forgot down. I don't know if I can see like a stall behind me. I over there, so I just go buy the melon and sit. But I must big up the girl in a juicy beef but just recognize me. Ah, big up you. I'm not even asking her name, shame on me. But I feel so upset the fact that I never did a record with me about the fruits because I go over there and I say to the man, say that melon is sweet. I'm not, yeah man, it's sweet like you. I'm want to no ear now, no never ear. Okay, now I'm gonna get the patty them. I have to just catch you under my arm, sorry because honestly my hand them full. But I'm gonna try buy cocoa bread for mommy, but too bad because one little patty can full of belly, but them don't have no cocoa bread, so you know what, I'm gonna go look taxi. You want a melon? You want a melon? See melon I'm gonna buy for Irie. You want some? She see yourself in but I want none. You see, patty pie, I remote everything people eat she want. You want melon? Oh, you have to hold it yourself. Yeah man, from when I see the state of bumness and I know I reach home a long time, but I tell you my phone is dead, so I have to plug it in a little bit, make it get a little charge. And come to you know, so every day I name up herself. She eats some of her granny patty. You don't eat the rind, okay? She eats some of her granny patty and I just cut piece of her melon gear. See how I eat it? I take out as much of the seed as I could. But I close out the video because like I say, reach home. But I something I want to say. When I just sit down and look taxi, I sit down and go through some of the comments them. So I see Raw Soul make a comment. And I hear when I say that quick, it sound like because a bad word. Raw Soul. Raw Soul. Raw Soul. I'm saying Raw Soul, okay? But I see she make a comment where she say our daughters need more representation for natural hair. And me I tell her say, when she say me sit down, the whole taxi rider me sit down and me I think about. And me I say, you know what, she is so right. Because I remember me I tell her no. Can I give me a piece? Can I give me some? Can I have some? Can I have some please? Thank you. Thank you, I don't want more. Remember me. Thank you. You know what I feed me now? See, remember me I said to you, say, me cream my ear when I was young because I felt ugly and I feel like cream ear would have make me feel pretty. Let me tell you why that was. And me tell you, say, I saw me think deep about everything, you know. Me I sit down in the taxi. And I saw me I think about it and me I say. You see, if at that time when I felt ugly with my natural hair, if all of the women when me look up to, they'd have natural hair, it would have been different. Because my mother and my sister, them all at the time, right now, one of my sister and my mother have natural hair. But at the time, the whole of them hair did cream. And I just think back in myself and I say, you know, say, if them hair did natural, I say, when they pick them and bully me, I just say, oh, no, can't tell me nothing because my sister and my mother have natural hair and them pretty. But guess what? One of the picking them hair at school, cream, come home, all of the female them ear, watch that melon just fly out of my mouth. Come home, one of the female them ear cream. So I said, this is the beauty standard. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to do to my ear, but I know so I definitely not going to cream it. Because if it ever come down to that, and anybody want to like tease my baby, I want if you can look up to mommy and say, no, because my mother ear natural and she pretty. You understand me? I want to be that for her. Yeah, man. That was such a good point. I'm glad she said. Hey, you know, some I don't know if I kind of the Lulu, but sometimes I feel like me, I don't know, I really afraid, you know. Especially like Ross, well, she can take it for me, but people close, I see. But I appreciate that piece of advice because I never think about it like that. But that's so important. That's really, really important. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna close out the video. Are you going to chow down on our melon? Maybe I'm gonna eat piece too. It's sweet. See it look red? Sweet, man. We get the one AJ piece. I don't know why I'm over there start eat it with him finger instead of with him. And I just that's the fair piece. On that note, I'm going to close out the video. Bye.